Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. Today we are going to discuss it is the screw bar. So in last class we discussed the bar groups. This part will be inserted from this point and this part. You can see that there is a 4 mm is dial. Okay, the same is 4 mm dial, and that the screw bar will be placed to the in the here. So it should be to help to rotate your jaw screw. So now how to construct it is easy part. Half section I will draw it like this, the same diagram, and I will go to the revolve command. So now the distance is unknown distance. You can see this 104 minus 10, it is 94, and 94 minus 10 it is become 84. Means this distance is become 84. Take a new part, start the sketch. So total distance is 104. So I'll draw it as a half section. So first I have to change the unit. So unit is millimeter, and in a sketch I'll construct it as 104, and the height is, it is, we know that it is how to draw it is 2 mm. Now this distance is 10. The above distance is, I have to calculate. So it is given dia segment is 3 and 2, 3 minus 2 is become 1 mm. Okay, if you see the proper, this is 3 mm and this is 2 mm. So unknown distance become 1 mm. Next, so this distance we calculated it 84. Similarly, downward is same, it is 1 mm, and it should be 10 and 2. Okay, so diagram is completed. Finish the sketch, go to the revolve command, select the profile, select the axis. So this is my axis over here, and distance is full. Press OK. So your screw bar is completed. Save the file, the name it is screw bar. And I have to change the material. The material is made of this HT. Apply, close. Thank you for watching. Next video we are